Hello, watch people. We are back. I'm Nelson. Today we are going to unbox SNXA09K Seiko 5 classic automatic watch. And today I give you a few reasons why Seiko 5 makes the best entry mechanical watch. The world of mechanical watches can be overwhelming for new watch collector. There are so much to learn about, and brands usually often associated with mechanical timepieces are very imitating. After all, Rolex is almost single-handed keeping the tradition alive. But Grand Seiko isn't up for grab for most. Luckily, Seiko 5 is. This Seiko 5 SNXA09K is almost like a white silver dial, a bit white and silver dial with the red second hand. It's a very beautiful watch. Actually, what Seiko 5 provides? First, automatic winding. A day and date function at the windows, single windows. They have water resistant, unbreakable mainspring, very reliable movement, and shock resistant. Two caliber Seiko 5 watches use 7S26 and 4R36, which are workhorse movement. They are not perfect, but they are simple, efficient, reliable, and easy to service. The diameter is 38 mm. Lug-to-lug is 44 mm. Thickness is 11 mm. The lug width is 18 mm. We have a see-through back casing. Let's try on. My hand is 6.5 inch. It looks so stunning on the wrist. Simple, nice, timeless. A good looking watch. The bracelet is reasonable for the price. So please like and subscribe our channel because we need your support. Thank you.